As you go through the course, you're going to be marking lectures as completed. Actually, the system will mark the lectures as completed for you. You can see just behind my head there, we've got the lecture panel. We're going to find all of the lectures that you'll be participating in as you go through this course. As a lecture is watched, it will be automatically checked as completed. In the top right corner of the Udemy page, the course page, you'll find your progress. From there, you can keep track of how many lectures you've gone through and how many lectures you have to go to complete the course. Now, once you've completed the course 100%, you will then be presented with an email from Udemy that gives you a link to your certificate of completion. Now, you can also find this by going to the review option right below the video screen. Go to overview, and if I scroll down, you'll see a portion in there for certificates, and you can find your certificate of completion from there. Again, once you complete the course 100%. So I'm excited. Let's get in there. Housekeeping done. Let's start jumping in and mastering Microsoft Excel.